Welcome to Part 7 of Business English for Global Teams, A2B2 level. I'm Nina, and if you've ever felt overwhelmed by back-to-back Zoom calls, lonely working from home, or guilty for logging off at 6 p.m., this episode is for you. These are the words that help you work remotely without losing yourself. Listen, repeat, and get ready to thrive, not just survive. Let's begin. Scene 2. Managing time zones fairly. Is 3 p.m. Central European Time too late for our team in India? It's 6:30 p.m. here. A bit late, but manageable this once. Can we rotate meeting times so it's fair for everyone? Yes. Let's alternate between US-friendly and EU-friendly slots. How about we make this meeting async? I'll record a Loom video. Perfect. Saves everyone's time. Is it okay if I skip this call? It's 2 a.m. in my time zone. Of course. Just review the notes and add comments. Can we avoid scheduling meetings on Friday afternoons? Yes. Let's keep Fridays free for focus work. Should we use a world clock tool to find the best time? Yes. I'll share the link to World Time Buddy. Is this time consistent every week, or do we need to reconfirm? It's every Tuesday at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 4 p.m. Central European Time. I'll send a recurring invite. What's the latest time I can message you without disturbing you? Before 8 p.m. your time. After that, I'm with my kids. Can we default to async for updates and sync only for decisions? Yes. That's how Spotify and GitLab do it. I'm in Australia. Is there a time that works for both of us? How about 8 a.m. your time / 11 p.m. my time? Once a week is fine. Scene 3. Combating isolation and staying connected. I've been feeling a bit isolated working from home. Is that normal? Very normal. Even at Google, people miss office energy. Would you be open to a virtual coffee chat this week? Yes. I'd love that. How about Thursday at 10 a.m.? Can we add a personal check-in at the start of team meetings? Great idea. How are you really? Takes 2 minutes. I miss casual hallway conversations. Any suggestions? Join our #random Slack channel. We share memes and pet photos. Is it okay if I turn on my video more often? I feel disconnected. Please do. Faces build connection, even in short calls. Can we have a monthly team social just to hang out? Yes. Last time we played online trivia, it was fun. I'm new to remote work. How do you stay motivated? I take walks, talk to coworkers daily, and celebrate small wins. Would you mind if I shared a personal update in our 1:1? Not at all. We're humans, not just workers. I feel like I'm bothering people when I message. Is that silly? Not silly at all, reach out. Most people feel the same. Can we create a virtual water cooler channel? Yes. I'll set it up today, call it #coffeebreak. Scene 4. Saying no to overwork politely. I can't take on more work this week, my plate is full. Respect. Can we revisit next sprint? Is it okay if I push this deadline? I need time to do it well. Yes. Quality over speed, always. I'm at capacity. Can we delegate this to someone else? Good call, I'll ask the Berlin team. I need to protect my focus time. Can we limit meetings to 3 per day? Yes. Let's block no meeting blocks on our calendars. I won't be able to join the call at 3 a.m. my time. Totally fair. Let's find a better time. Can I say no to this request? It doesn't align with my priorities. Yes. No is a complete sentence, and a professional one. I'm feeling overwhelmed. Can we pause and reprioritize? Absolutely. Let's trim the list to the top 3. I need to log off on time today, my family needs me. Of course. Work will be there tomorrow. Is it okay if I don't attend this optional meeting? Yes. Only come if it adds value for you. I'm practicing saying no to protect my energy. Thanks for understanding. You're modeling great behavior, thank you. Scene 5. Advocating for mental health. I've been feeling burnt out. Can we talk about workload? Yes. Your well-being matters more than any task. I need a mental health day. Is that okay? Absolutely, take the time you need. Can we normalize talking about stress in our team? Yes. I'll start by sharing my own challenges. I'm struggling with focus. Any tips for deep work? Try the Pomodoro technique. 25 minutes on, 5 off. Is it okay if I take a short walk to clear my head? Yes. Movement boosts creativity. Go ahead. I'm feeling anxious about this deadline. Can we break it down? Of course. Let's tackle it step by step. Can we add well-being to our team values? Yes. Spotify and SAP already do. It's powerful. I'm not okay, and that's okay to say. Thank you for your honesty. I'm here for you. Would you be open to a no-camera day to reduce fatigue? Yes. Video is optional unless presenting. I'm prioritizing my mental health this quarter. I hope you do too. Me too. Let's support each other. Scene 6. Proposing async communication. Can we make this update async? I'll write a short doc. Yes. Docs are easier to reference than meeting notes. Instead of a call, could I send a Loom video? Perfect. I'll watch it when I'm focused. Can we use threaded comments in Notion instead of long emails? Yes. It keeps conversations organized. Is it okay if I reply to this tomorrow? I need time to think. Of course. Thoughtful replies are better than fast ones. Can we agree to 24-hour response windows for non-urgent messages? Yes. That reduces pressure and improves quality. Instead of a status meeting, can I post updates in Slack? Yes. We'll read them and react. No meeting needed. Can we use polls for quick decisions instead of scheduling calls? Yes. Doodle or Slack polls save so much time. Is it okay if I batch my communication to 2 check-ins per day? Yes. Deep work needs uninterrupted time. Can we default to written updates and sync only when stuck? Yes. That's how remote-first companies operate. I'll summarize my week in a Friday email. Is that helpful? Very. I'll do the same. Scene 7. Cultural differences in remote work. In Germany, we log off at 6 p.m. sharp. Is that okay here? Yes. We respect work-life balance. No one expects replies after hours. In the US, people message late. Should I respond right away? No. Set your status to offline. They'll understand. In Japan, we feel guilty taking breaks. How do you handle it? Reframe it. Breaks make you more productive. Your team wants you at your best. In Sweden, we take long summer breaks. Is that accepted globally? Yes. At Spotify and IKEA, vacation is encouraged. In India, work hours are longer. How do I set boundaries? Be clear. My core hours are 9 to 5. I'll respond outside that window next day. Is it rude to turn off video in meetings in Brazil? Not if you explain. I'm saving bandwidth, or I'm in a noisy space. In the Netherlands, we value directness. Is it okay to say, I'm done for today? Yes. Clarity is appreciated. Just be polite. How do I know if my message was received in Asia? Use read receipts or add, no need to reply, to reduce pressure. In Canada, we're polite, but how do I say no firmly? I appreciate the ask, but I can't commit to that right now. What's the best way to show I'm working if I'm not online all day? Share outcomes, not hours, e.g., delivered X today. Scene 8. Protecting your energy and joy. I'm turning off notifications after work to protect my peace. Smart. Your focus time is sacred. Can I block focus hours on my calendar? Yes. Mark them as busy. No one will schedule over them. I'm practicing digital detox on weekends. No work devices. Inspiring. I'll try that too. Is it okay if I don't check email on vacation? Yes. Set an autoresponder. Your team will survive. I'm saying no to perfectionism. Good enough is great. Yes. Done is better than perfect. Can I take a 10-minute break between calls to breathe? Absolutely. Back-to-back calls drain energy. I'm prioritizing sleep over late-night emails. Wise. Sleep is non-negotiable for performance. Is it okay if I work in pajamas sometimes? Yes. Comfort boosts creativity, as long as you're productive. I'm protecting my lunch break. No meetings allowed. Yes. Food and rest are fuel. Guard them. I'm choosing joy over hustle. And I hope you do too. Me too. Sustainable work is the future. You did it. You just practiced 80 real English phrases for remote work that's sustainable, connected, and human. Whether you're working from a flat in Berlin, a cabin in Toronto, a beach in Sydney, or a co-working space in Stockholm. This is part 7 of Business English for Global Teams, B1/B2 level. In part 8, we'll master career growth. Asking for promotions, switching jobs, and building your path so you can shape your future with confidence. If you found this helpful, subscribe and hit the bell. And don't forget to turn on subtitles CC for better understanding. Thanks for learning with me.